Hi, in this short movie I want to talk to you about formatting a string. I've got an example here where I've got a string variable, my name, and a floating point variable, in this case the cost of my shirt, and to demonstrate how this version of formatting is better, I've made the floating point number a 4 decimal place number, and then my date of birth as a date. And here we can see how you can stick variables together in a fairly clunky way, concatenating, adding together the strings and the variables. So my teacher's name is plus, teacher's name variable plus, and then remembering to have the spaces. And then here we go, for the float I have to convert it to a string, otherwise it will complain. And then I don't think there's a method of managing the date very well. So if I comment this out, if I run this code, you can see, well, it does work. That my teacher's name is Mr. Basso and his shirt costs £14.99p02. It's a bit clunky there, haven't managed to control the number of decimal places, and he was born, and then I've just done a straight date time output. You'll see I've imported date time, so it knows this is a date time, and it stuck that out straight out. Years, months, day, hours, minutes, seconds. Now if we compare that with this method, which uses the format method, method's actually a key word. We're not going to talk about that right now. So here we go. Instead of the variable name, I've put curly braces. Now some of you may have seen %s, and apparently that's an older method of doing the same thing. So this is a modern way of adding these variables into a string. Curly brackets, another curly brackets, and some more curly brackets. And inside the curly brackets, I've applied different formatting methods. So this guy, Python String Formatting Cookbook, has done a great, easy to read crib sheet of different formatting you can apply. Okay, so this one is a string. This one is forced to 2 decimal places, and this one I'm going to go day, month, year. So let's run this. So Mr. Bassooth, that's fine. And the shirt, oops. Hold on, sorry, I haven't saved it. I'll do that again. And this time the shirt is formatted to 2 decimal places, and the date is neatly formatted. You can see I've put the slashes in. If I change this to dots, I can show you another one. I'll put a capital Y in there. Oh, I'm going to save it this time. If I run it again, you can see I've changed the divider, and big Y is the full year, little y is just the last 2 digits. Okay, I'd like you to have an experiment. See if you can run through 5 of these different cookbook suggestions.